Hello, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to discuss about very interesting and simple, and it is playing an important role in our daily life and in physics also, that is the momentum. So generally what do you say? Quantity of motion. Quantity of motion is called the momentum. People, they are saying mass into velocity like that. That is called the momentum only. So simply you should remember that while going through the concept, quantity of motion is called the momentum. Quantity of motion, we are calculating that quantity of motion, that is called the momentum, and this formula is mass into velocity. This is the mass into velocity, and you remember that velocity is vector, means momentum is also vector quantity, is a vector quantity. What is the unit and what is the dimensional formula? Mass into velocity means you can understand mass is measured in terms of kgs, velocity is in meters per second. So this is the unit for momentum. Like that, how to write the dimensional formula? Kg, mass, it is represented by capital M, meter, length, time is the t power minus 1. So this is about the unit and dimension formula. And here when we can go through some special cases while doing the problems, you must remember that, see, momentum is directly proportional to mass when velocity is constant. When velocity is constant, and it is directly proportional to velocity, you can say when mass is constant. If both are not constants, you can say that P1 by P2. When we are going through the two different objects, one is the car, another one is the bus. How to compare the momentum of those two objects? P1 by P2 equals to M1 by M2 into V1 by V2. And one more case, if P is constant, momentum is constant, how can you give the relation between mass and velocity? See, you can say that mv equals to constant. Mass is inversely proportional to velocity. Whenever momentum is constant, suppose one car is there, one bus is there, which is having more velocity when momentum is constant? Not all these cases. Both are having the same momentum. This is bus is the 20 kg meters per second. Like car is also 20 kg meters per second. Momentum is constant. But which one is having more velocity means? You can go through this formula. More mass, less velocity. Less mass, more velocity. So you can say that car is having the more velocity. Why that car is having the less mass? So this is about like this, anything you can apply based on the momentum. It is a vector quantity. You remember that quantity of motion is called the momentum. So this is about the momentum. These basic concepts are very interesting, and you will get more grip on subject. Not only for inter students, from 8th class, 6th class onwards, you can follow this momentum. And previous class I explained pressure, then previous I explained the density. If you follow that, you will get more grip on the class. Thank you everyone. Please subscribe my channel. Definitely you will get knowledge, and you can share to your friends. Then you can share the knowledge also. Thank you.